management perceived as in the country today? It's perceived as common sense. When you plan a project, always add 10% extra to it in terms of time, in terms of cost, and then work on it. Let's start the project. Let's not plan to just start the project, let's get moving, let's get some reports. We have been doing it for years, so there's nothing new. These are common perceptions of project management. However, project management can be best described in one simple word, sentence, which is plan the work and work the plan. Instead of being reactive, be proactive. Instead of just having gut feel, feedback, reporting, have measurement, proper measurements in place. Instead of blaming somebody else and passing the buck, do introspection and follow best practices.
I would like to share brief hints about the first National Project Management Conference at Hyderabad. I am the current chairman here, and I have the team there. And the basic unique feature of this conference is this is not driven by event managers. This is driven by the volunteers, the volunteer leaders, who are all the senior leaders from different renowned organizations in India and partly abroad. So that is the uniqueness of this particular conference. It is completely driven by volunteers, the planning, the execution, the monitoring and everything. I would like to set the context. The projects are the part of the life. I mean, it's not like just projects are only in the business or only in the defense or only in the a particular area. We strongly believe projects are part of the life. So three important things which we always say, A, B, C. There are projects in academia, there are projects in business, and largely there are projects in community. Of course, that's where the government and non-government organizations contribute to improve the quality of citizen life. So these three areas which we strongly believe we need to promote the project management and the project managers. Just illustrative examples which will give you good understanding. If you look at in the academia, what sort of projects will be there? So probably a new course is getting introduced, maybe that could be in Indian Institute of Management or IITs or any new course you are introducing, that is a small project. And if you are branding an academic institution, that is a small project. And most of the times now academic institutes are looking at how we can improve the placement opportunities for the students. So that is a small project. Every year that is a project. They have to start probably in November and they have to end in March. So during that time they plan that, they execute it, they monitor it, and they closely see that okay, there are 4,000 students are there, maybe we place 50% of that. That itself is a project there. Not many projects are successful. There could be many reasons you can attribute for that. I classify it into two things. One is the culture and environment, whether it could be political leaders or bureaucrats' commitment, or whether it could be management commitment. That is a very important aspect for the success of the projects. Lack of coordination between the departments, not aligning with citizens or customers' requirements. I think this is one important element why projects fail, when there is no required culture and environment.